This Liftmaster LA400 gate operator was not functioning when I arrived. Someone had knocked the safety sensor out of alignment. You can see the blue light on the safety sensor, which means it's properly aligned. The light was red. Also, the gate was not closing completely. It was leaving about a 1 foot gap. We checked the batteries in the gate operator, and we also reset the close limit. And you can see that the gate is functioning properly and now closes all the way as it should. It comes all the way up against a stop.